Hello students, welcome to our online classes. Already we have completed our second chapter, that is India and its neighboring countries. Now it's time for complete our exercise part, that is in workbook. Okay students, so let's start. How much we have learned from this second chapter? Today we will once again go through the our workbook and we will check our how much we have learnt. Okay, so let's start. First question, question number 1, that is India and its neighboring countries. Okay, so question number 1, students read carefully. India is located in the north part of Asia. Question is rewrite her wrong sentence correctly. Means we have to, once again I repeat, rewrite her wrong sentence correctly. Means already wrong question is given, we have to write is rewrite. We have to once again we have to write correctly. Okay, so rewrite her wrong sentence correctly. Okay, so India is located in the northern part of Asia. India is located in the north part of Asia. So it is, the sentence is wrong, so we have to write it correctly. So what is, India is located in the southern part of Asia. This is the correct answer. Already wrong answer is given, wrong questions, so we have to write down with it correctly. Okay, India is located in the southern part of Asia. So our India is south part of Asia. I will show you. Let's come with me. See student, this is our Asia map. Okay, in Asia our India is here. You can see here. This is our Asia physical map. This is, and this is our India. So our India is situated southern part of our Asia. Means this is our Asia map, Asia continent. So you see the in corner there is a direction, that is the upper part is north, directly opposite of north south is there, and the south of right side of south is east, and the left side of south is west. So this part is east, this part west, this side is east, and this side is west, and this side is upper part is north, and down part is south. So this is the south part. Okay, so our India is situated southern part of our Asia. Okay, it is the Asian map. Once again I repeat, right side is east direction, it is west, it is north, up, and down is, or bottom is southern part or south direction. Okay students, understood? So our India is situated southern part of our Asia. Okay, so next question we will go through this. India is the second largest country in world. Question number B is, he is telling India is the second largest country in world. No, India is the seventh largest country in the world. India's number is, position is seventh, means 7. Okay, so question number C, India is the seventh most populated country in the world. India is the seventh most populated country in the world. He is telling India's number is by population, in population 7th. No, India is the second most populated country. Populated means population, how much people are living in our India. Okay, so that is called population. India is the second most populated country in the world. Okay students, see very carefully. Next question number D, the Lakshadweep island are in the Bay of Bengal. Is it correct? No, the Andaman and Nicobar island are the Bay of Bengal. Okay, question number E, the Andaman and Nicobar island are in the Arabian Sea. No, it is wrong. So the Lakshadweep island are in the Arabian Sea. So I will show you where is the Andaman and Nicobar island, which bay, and the Andaman and the where the Andaman and Nicobar in which island. Okay, and which sea. So let's come with me. I will show you with the help of map. Students, see very carefully. This is our Indian map. This is our country India. It is Sri Lanka. See, right side is Bay of Bengal. Here which island is there? Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, in Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Island is situated in Bay of Bengal. In left side you see this is the Arabian Sea. In Arabian Sea, which island is there? Lakshadweep Island. Understood? So remember carefully. So in Bay of Bengal, which island? Andaman Nicobar Island, means right side. In left side, in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is situated. Understood? So you can clear your confused. So Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Andaman Nicobar Island is situated, and in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is there. Okay, this is our Indian Ocean. It is the Bay of Bengal, it is the Arabian Sea. Okay students, so come to next question. So if the Tarai region is very dry and fertile, the Tarai region is very dry and fertile. So the Tarai region is very fertile. So next question, question number G. The Deccan Plate is oval triangular in shape. The Deccan Plate is triangular in shape. Okay, he is telling both oval and triangular. So the correct answer is triangular in shape. Okay. So India has 27 states and 9 union territories. So India has, I told you in video, India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay students, all of you understand. So there is some wrong question is given, wrong answer is given. We have to rewrite and we have to write correctly. Okay. Next come, answer the following question. Question number 2, answer the following question. Write the name of the states mentioned in our national anthem. Our national anthem, every assembly will pray that our national anthem, that is Jana Gana Mana Adhi. So there is state is given Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida means Tamil Nadu, Utkal means Odisha, Banga means Utkal means Odisha, Banga means Paschim Bang or West Bengal. Okay, so once again I repeat, the Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkal and Bang. These are the states we will mention in our national anthem. Okay, students, we will come to next question. See very carefully. Name the rivers mentioned in the national anthem. Here we mentioned the state in our national anthem. Here, what are the rivers mentioned in our national anthem? So what are the rivers? Yamuna and Ganga. Okay, Yamuna and Ganga. I can show you the national anthem. You see, Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya Hai भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधी गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलजित तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाये तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. So this is student our national anthem. Okay, here also I can show you. See, that is our states Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, Utkal, Banga. These are the Himachal and Vindhya. These are the states mentioned in our national anthem. Okay, you see Yamuna and Ganga, two rivers they are mentioned. Here Vindhya, Himachal, Dravida, Utkala, Banga, Maratha, Gujarat, Sindh, Punjab. These are mentioned in our state, and Yamuna and Ganga are mentioned in river in our national anthem. Understood students? This is our Indian map, and this is the Arabian Sea. Here Lakshadweep and Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Dweepapunj is there. So this is our Indian oceans. Understood students? Next we will come. Name the currency of this country, currency and capitals and our neighboring countries and food, dress, languages we all have discussed. So once again we will think what is the capital currency of the Nepal. Nepal is rupee. It is very important, you have to remember. So Bhutan is Gultron, Pakistan rupee, Sri Lankan rupee. So you have to remember this. There is nothing to understand. We have to remember the rupee of the currency of our neighboring countries. Okay. Question number D. Name the official language of this country. Official language. This is the currency and this is the official language. We have to write down. Afghanistan, for official language is Dari and Pashto. 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 Dari and Pashto. For China, Mandarin. Okay. China is Mandarin. Okay. Myanmar, Burmese. Official language is Burmese. Bangladesh, Bangla. And Maldives, Dhibei. So these are the official language of our neighboring countries. These all things I already mentioned. I already have discussed with you through the video. Okay. So it is all things are in given book also. You can see. Now match each state. Question number 3 come to student. Question number 3, match each state with its capital city. We have to match with their city with the state with the capital city. Okay. So match each state with its capital city. Means state is given left side and right side capital is given. We have to match it. Okay. Which state belongs to which capital is belongs to which state. So Manipur state is state's capital is Imphal. Okay. Now Telangana state capital is Hyderabad. Gujarat, Gandhi Nagar. Okay. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Karnataka, you see the Bangalore. Goa, Panaji. Uttarakhand state's capital Dehradun. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Okay. So these are the state and capital. I already mentioned, you have to remember. Okay students, understood? Now we will come to our next question, that is identify the flag of each country. Okay, we have to identify here. See, different countries flag, national flag is given. We have to identify and we have to write down the which country belongs to this national flag. Okay, and their capital also we have to write down. Understood students? So different countries national flag is given. First of all we will go this. Okay, this is the Sri Lanka. We can easily find out one lion is there. So that is country and this side is capital. Sri Lanka, Colombo. In another, this is the legislative capital or administrative capital is also there for Sri Lanka. That is Jayavardhanpura Kota. Okay. So next flag is Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka. Here this the flag belongs to Afghanistan. Okay, capital is Kabul. This flag is belongs to, you see corner star is there. Okay, so this is the China flag, China country's flag, national flag. So capital is Beijing. This is the, you can easily find out, this is the Pakistan half moon and inside half moon there is a star. So this is called Pakistan national flag and capital is Islamabad. Okay. So next, this is the national flag belongs to Nepal country. Okay. Capital is Kathmandu. Once again I repeat, Nepal country, Kathmandu. You have to identify, remember all the national flag of our neighboring countries. Myanmar, Naypyidaw. This is the Myanmar national flag and the capital is Naypyidaw. This is the Maldives. Capital is Male. So Maldives country capital is Male. Okay. This is the national flag of Bhutan country. Okay. Capital is Thimphu. Okay. So Bhutan, Thimphu. So this is all about our neighboring countries' national flag and their capitals. Okay. You have to remember how the looks and color of our neighboring countries national flag, okay, and their capital also. Understood students? So this is all about our neighboring countries capital and their national flag. Understood? Now you can say the SAARC, a question is given in your book. What do you mean by SAARC? So SAARC full form is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Once again I repeat, South, S for South, A for Asian, again A for Association, and R for Regional, and C for Cooperation. So South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that means it is a intergovernment regional cooperation, okay, understood, in South region of Asia. Understood students? So this is all about the second chapter workbook exercise question part. So I hope all of you understood properly, and write down on your workbook and practice it 2-3 times, and watch the video also 2-3 times, then you will get the full idea about this topic. Understood students? So I hope all of you clear about it. So thank you very much. Take care.